What up? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, everybody? It's your cousin Hype. Alright, look. I'm crunk right now, man, and I'm telling you right now, I'm about to be up all motherfucking night. I'll bleed it out, don't worry. Yo, I'm about to be up, boy, because my joint just came in, man. Look, shout out to PlayStation for sending me this psych. Nigga, they ain't send me nothing. I had to pay my own paper, you know what I'm saying? That's how it go, dog, but we got on this. God damn, this joint is heavy, dog. This is a big boy of a box. Damn. Now, damn. If it's really this big, that's gonna be a little crazy. That's gonna be a little crazy, but we gonna get into it, man. We gonna get into it. Cause I'm ready. Oh yeah. No flagging. That got me. Secured my bag. Oh yeah, baby. Woo-wee. And here she is, fam. The PlayStation 5. It was hard to get this motherfucker. It was hard to get this bitch. There's a lot of people still trying to get her. But your boy Cuzzo is in the building and we've secured the bag. So man, let's get into it. Alright. Alright. Yo, this box is literally so big. I can't even get in. I can't even show y'all and still be in the screen. That's crazy. Anyway, alright, man. So look. Woo! Getting hot up in here. Alright, check. Sony PlayStation 5 console in the building. Alright, so capabilities, we got some 8K action up in here. Some 4K 120 action, some HDR action. Oh man, this joint looking like it's looking like some of Star Wars, like the Stormtroopers. They said like the Stormtrooper. I feel like it looked like a Stormtrooper router. All right, so on the back we got play like never before. Lightning speed. To harness the power, we got the breathtaking immersion, make you feel like you're in the game, and the stunning games, which really right now we gonna get into all of that. But it's here. Comes with the console, the controller, the base. Cause you're gonna put the base, you'll see HDMI cables, AC power cord, USB cable, the materials, and it comes with the game Astro's Playland. Astro's Playland is preloaded, and I am gonna have fun with that in a minute. Anyways, 825 gigabytes on that junk. You see her? 825. I'm coming from the first generation PlayStation 4 console. I never upgraded, so this is gonna be big thing for your boy. Yeah, man, let's just get into it, man. What you waiting for? What you waiting for? Hey, what you waiting for? All right, so what we do here? Okay, I'm just tearing it up. But that's what we do, man. This is an unboxing channel. We just tear it up. All right. Can y'all tell I'm just a little too excited? Goodness. Woo-wee. Yo, this is a big box, man. Yo, this is a big box. This is no joke, y'all. All right, so we got inside. We done broke down one layer. We got just a regular PlayStation branding on the box, white box. We still ain't there yet. Just one layer. Oh, excuse me. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about that. Woohoo! Put that out the way. Y'all don't worry about that. All right, 1, 2, 3. Got the PlayStation branding on the box. Like I say, one layer down. We're gonna open her up, get her going. Oh man, they making this nice. They actually put some instructions on here on how to open the box. Come on, man. If you like opening in boxes, it's like, you don't even need this. Like, who knows Anyway, let's go. Pull that. All right. So I probably should have held it up. I don't know. Right now off top we get, you know, manual jump, manual, cool. We get another manual, cool. One was safety guide. This one was the quick start guide. Man, oh man, slow up, boy, slow up. Look, plug, but hold up. Water, boy, hold up. Oh, what we got there? Okay, let me take it in for a second, y'all. Let me check it out. Oh, that's so dope. All right, feels very good in the hand. Feels very good in the hand. I will say, the detail on here, there's a detail that come on here, and I have to kind of show you on the B-roll because I can't even see it with my own eyes. Like, I want to make sure it's true that, but the grip part of the controller is actually consists of a whole bunch of miniature little X, O, triangles, and squares, and I honestly can't even see it right from the naked eye. I have to zoom in on my camera, but man, this thing feels nice. Yeah, we gonna get lit. We gonna get into it. All right, so enough of that for now. All right, man, I can't wait to turn all this on. Put all this to the side for now. So we got the controller, got all the little papers. Put this to the side. Where we at now? Oh, I like how they got you opening up into the sections. You know, this is the sections. We waited a long time for this, so we gonna do this the right way. All right, what you got here? Looks like you got okay, so the controller now controls with USB Type 3, and that's lit. So there's no more of the old USB connectors. That's cool. So this thing will charge a lot quicker. This is your HDMI cord. Need all of that. Oh, okay. So check this out, y'all. This must be the base where you will sit the PlayStation on. And they say that this base it can go for horizontal and vertical. The way my setup is and on my entertainment system, it'll probably go horizontal, though vertical gives it I think more of a fashion statement somewhat. But we'll put that aside. Man, they weren't playing with how they box this joint up. Okay, now we get into the nitty gritty. What we all been waiting for. Woo! Hold on, that thing looking kind of tall, no? Okay, for one, it's heavy as hell, y'all. This ain't the same PlayStation. Oh yeah, this joint big. Man, here it is, y'all. There it is, y'all. Look, PlayStation 5. PlayStation 5 now. Wow. All right. So off bat, I'm gonna tell you what I'm thinking when this came out. And I haven't really heard nobody else say this, but when this came out, I'm thinking this just gave me Nintendo vibes. The first Nintendo vibes. Wow. The color of this, like they keep saying, is white and black, and I was even giving the vibes on the box is white and black. But when you get it in person, you get it in hand, it really does make a difference. The color, it's like that Nintendo. Remember that Nintendo like off-white kind of gray? Man, that's dope. I really like the way this thing is looking, y'all. Oh man, this is crazy. Oh man. So I did get the version with so you can play your own, you can put the disc in, you can play your old games. I'm the type of dude, I'm still old school, y'all. I like to buy the physical games in case I ever want to resell or whatever. I don't know. I don't know about the digital thing yet, man. I might grab them, a couple of them, especially since this has the capacity. But man, this is dope, man. I think we gonna get into it, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Like, were y'all able to score, secure the bag? Were you able to, hop on the PS5 train yet? I mean, it's still early. Y'all still have some time. There'll be some drops coming around for Black Friday coming up, man. Maybe I can cover some of those drops and help y'all secure the bag for y'all console. But man, it's gonna be a very Merry Christmas around here. I'm telling you, well, we doing good. Hey man, thank y'all for stopping by, checking out the unboxing of the PS5, and man, more to come. I'm about to go have some fun, get this thing hooked up, and let me know down below in the comment section. Were you able to hit? Are you still looking for a way to hit and a way to get you a system? Let me know. Maybe I can do another video to help everybody, secure the bag. And but that's it, man. Thank y'all for stopping by. We're gonna catch y'all next time. Peace.